Okay.
Is there any wine
We're running.
in the room?
Okay.
Give her shit.
Contact.
Contact.
That was a good start.
Well, that's promising.
That probably emptied the float.
It's the beginning of time. Go ahead. Go for it.
No, it would start.
Yeah.
There's
Oh, the
something-
babes have shown up.
Something wrong with the float.
Try one more time.
Put some stuff down it.
Give her a shot. Here, we'll get her started.
Have another drink of wine, Terry. That's always good for the camera.
We didn't set that high enough.
There's something wrong with the valve.
Maybe.
Oh, you gotta love that smoke, eh?
Top up again.
Let's pull this out.
Is the valve in from there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's really leaking now. It must be backed up.
Well, the fuel pump's working.
Coming from the bottom.
The fuel pump's working for sure. But what we might have
There's
is, what
something wrong with
Tony's
that
saying is
valve.
we might have some problem with it, the needle and seat here. Yeah, that needle is stuck in there, I think.